In this video, I will talk about how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. Before going into the details of this video, I want to share with you that I'm talking from experience. This is Hostinger affiliate program, and I will log in into my account. Go to the conversion report and select the last 6 months, for example. As you can see, I've made 22 conversions with a payout of more than $800, and these are the commissions I've got. As you can see, my commission with Hostinger got up to more than $100. This is all the list of the commissions. How I got all of these conversions? Simply, it's from this YouTube channel. Let's see my oldest videos. Let's select oldest. This is the starting of this channel. First, I was heavily focused on promoting another hosting provider, which is DreamHost, but I've switched to Hostinger. As you can see, from in the last 12 months, I started talking solely on Hostinger. From a time to time, I've tested another affiliate programs like Thrive, but I didn't succeed because Thrive had a bad reputation. With Hostinger, it's not the case. Hostinger is selling itself with me or without me. And this is what we will talk about in decision number one. And this is the details of the Hostinger affiliate program. As you can see, they offer a commission or a payout of 40% of the cart. In my case, I get 60% instead of 40 because I've joined this program, I think, a year ago. Now that I've shared with you a little bit of my experience, let's start with what is affiliate marketing. Simply, affiliate marketing is selling other people products. This way, you don't have to create a product, you don't have to do customer support, maintenance, or taking any risk. So what you are investing here is your time and your marketing effort. Why I like it? I like affiliate marketing because it's a low startup cost and also gives me the opportunity to make passive income. For example, the commissions of the last month, I got 5 conversions without publishing any video during the last month. Yes, I have published videos on my YouTube channel, but they were just informational content, not content that promote Hostinger. So this payout was totally passive income. Why doing affiliate marketing on YouTube and not on a website? Simply because lately Google started destroying already established websites. In your case, you are starting new, you had almost zero chance of succeeding in this highly competitive niche. And at the same time, YouTube started promoting small channels. If you pay attention to your personal YouTube account, you will see the homepage of YouTube starting promoting very small YouTube channels with just 100 views being recommended or pushed to the homepage. So now you have more chance at succeeding doing affiliate marketing on YouTube than doing it on Google search. How I started affiliate marketing, I think I've already talked about that. First, I joined this affiliate program, which is Hostinger affiliate program. Then I started this channel making YouTube videos, and after that I started seeing these commissions. In your case, the first decision that you need to take is select a topic. Here I recommend you to select a topic that is profitable, you are interested in, or you are willing to learn. Don't get me wrong, because here you should not be expert in the field. You should be just a step ahead of your viewers on YouTube. The second decision is promote something that is already selling. I went with Hostinger because really Hostinger is the best in the field. Hostinger now is better than well-known web hosting providers like Bluehost, DreamHost, Namecheap, and also HostGator. So I'm not promoting Hostinger just because they pay me well, but because they are really the best in the field. If you have to choose between an affiliate program that pays well and are really good products, I recommend you promote something that is good in order to keep the trust with your viewers. Now that you have your topic, your affiliate program, the first here you should start a YouTube channel. This is very simple, and start making or publishing informational content. With informational content, it's mainly how to tutorials. For example, how to delete something in Hostinger, how to, if you don't know what how to get this content, just type youtube.com, search for how to, add this sign, and type product name you are promoting, and go back here and type A. As you can see, this is all of these videos you need to make: how to add Hostinger email to Gmail, how to add signature, how to add payment gateway, and so on. Now that you've recorded all of this video, move to the B, how to buy hosting from Hostinger, how to buy domain. By the way, even though this video is an informational video, it's still something that can make you conversions, because someone who's looking for how to buy hosting can be turned into a conversion. How to ABC, how to create subdomains. So all of these videos can be created during the first step after starting your channel. Even though this step will not make you conversions, you still need to do it. Why? First, you try to establish yourself as a trustworthy channel on YouTube in the field. The second thing is that you learn the program you are promoting in and out. This is very important in order to have arguments when you are trying to sell the product later. And I think that's enough. And I forgot to mention that here you are training yourself to record videos, because in my case, English is not my first or second language, so it was not easy for me to make videos on YouTube. What I did is that I started with muted videos. For example, if you watch all of these videos, they are muted. I've started only recording my laptop screen. For muted videos, I recommend you make a little bit of subtitles in order to help the viewer understand what you are trying to do on the video. The second step I moved into is that I've started talking without showing my face. If I scroll down a little bit here, I think I started talking in my videos without showing my face. After I gained some confidence in myself, I started showing myself, as you can see. So this is what you should do, or this is what I did. After making informational content and you started knowing the program or the product or the service you are promoting in and out, you can start talking about it, and viewers will feel that you know what you're talking about. Now, what you need to do is you start to make bottom of the funnel content. The keyword here is bottom of the funnel. I've already talked about that in my online course called Affiliate Success on YouTube, on module 2 video, first video, or video number 6. I've already explained this. This is the funnel. Let's pause this video. This is the funnel I'm talking about. As you can see, on the top we have a large audience, and as we go down, the audience gets limited. On the top we have the unaware audience. This audience is unaware of their problem and also their solution. I avoid talking or targeting unaware audience because it requires lots of education in order to move down or make the buying decision. In my case, I target the solution aware people because they are aware of their problem, which is slow host or slow website. They are aware of their solution, which is switching to a faster web hosting provider, but they are not aware or sure about which product to go with. So what I do in my videos is I talk about my experience with Hostinger, showing what I liked, what I didn't like. If the viewer problem is a high cost, I talk or I convince him with the low cost of Hostinger. If his problem is the slow loading performance, in my video I talk about the fast loading speeds and so on. And your success doing affiliate marketing on YouTube is here on the bottom of the funnel. If you're serious doing affiliate marketing on YouTube, I recommend you this online course where you will learn many things on details. To learn more about this online course, just visit this page. You will learn more about this online course, also a sneak peek, the chapters, the videos, and also the free bonuses you will get with this course. And to encourage you, I will give you a discount or a 50% discount. Just click on add discount, fill in YouTube 50 and hit apply. You will get a 50% discount on this course. If you have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to check out this online course. I will leave this link in this video description. See you in the next video.